Safety management for strata and commercial buildings. What we'll be looking at will be the impacts of safety and the items that come up in the aspects and impacts in strata and commercial buildings. The latest items that have been coming up is the slips, trips and falls and the slip resistance of tiles in common areas, where insurance companies are asking for records in place to check the slipperiness of the tiles. So we'll have a look at some of the definitions. So there's been changes to the Workplace Health and Safety Act, where the person who's in control of the workplace needs to ensure that all the risks have been identified and controlled in the workplace. So what we'll do next, we'll have a look at some examples of some items that have been identified which clearly stick out, and some of the things we've picked up over the number of years. Okay, so who has the duties to manage the workplace? So the workplace regulations require a person in control of the workplace to ensure a safe place to work is prepared and kept that way. Usually a hazard or initial common property safety report is done initially, and then usually a yearly update is done, but if all the hazards are identified and controlled, we can push that out for 2 years. So we can see, for example, here where we've got a barbecue on the top level of a 2-storey building, so the nice person underneath it who's going to walk into their unit's going to get nice hot oil on top of them. So that was a quite interesting scenario that we saw. And you can see that the gas bottle sitting on the balustrade there too. So the next one we're looking at is the pot plant. So you can see the pot plant sitting here on the top of the balcony. So you imagine someone coming along and bumping one of those and falling off the on the balcony and whoever's underneath. So that's not really the smartest thing to do, is it? And the next one is a non-standard set of stairs. So you've got different heights as they go through from here, and anything over two rises should really have a handrail there. So what if someone's walking down there with the washing and they trip over, they've got nothing to hold on to. So you can either contact Sydney or myself and we can help you out with compiling a safety report, or we can help you with some of your issues with your body corporate